Madison drives a motorbike. This girl's badass. Okay. On my first, the first level of Madison, one of my, someone commented on that video and said that, that I commented on how I said, that Madison has big eyes, and he was like, what the hell, you could have said ass or boobs or something. What the hell, Oyster, really? That's pretty much the joke. Oh, she has really big eyes. Great. Creepy motel guy.
Sweetheart, what can I do for you?
He has the stupidest voice I've ever heard in a while. Well, that doesn't really make sense, does it?
Anything.
For you, nothing. I just said for you, nothing. Well, if I get the chance to live here for a few days. Sure then.
Madison Page, 27, single.
Of course.
How long will you be staying with us in Page?
Look how annoyed she's looking.
Room 201. Last floor, stairs on the right, student parking area.
Thanks.
The pleasure was all mine.
That's for sure.
If you have a spare key, can I have that too?
That obnoxious receptionist better not have a spare key to my room.
Oh, of course, and she's talking about it.
Gives me a cold sweat.
She's talking about the spare key. I better get out of the rain. I'm just gonna... Okay, what was it again?
Room 201. Stairs on the right, last floor.
Well, took the stairs on the right.
Sir?
Ethan!
Are you alright?
Oh god, don't get involved, please.
I'll call an ambulance.
No ambulance.
You're badly hurt. You need a doctor.
Please, just help me to my room. It's number 207.
Sure then. Maybe we'll be like Shelby. I'll take care of you instead of taking you to the hospital.
He doesn't want to go to the hospital. Why? Have you got the key?
Thanks. Okay, then we'll get you in here. Of course, just scooch my way in here. You
You're
okay?
really in bad shape. You should see a doctor.
Must have maybe 2 broken ribs.
I'd say more than that.
It's not fatal. But it's sore as hell.
And also, what's with that gash on your head? What about that?
Your head is
See?
bleeding. It looks deep.
If it was deep, you probably would be dead.
He's in trouble. I can't just walk away and leave him like that.
Okay.
Paracetamol painkiller. Administer in cases of intense pain. Do not take more than 1 pill every 24 hours.
Okay, give this to her. I can only take one thing at a time, apparently.
Take this. It should do you
What
some
is
good.
it?
Painkiller.
It's a painkiller. It'll help reduce the pain.
Oh, really?
It says on the box to take 1 every 24 hours. I don't think it's a good idea to exceed the dose.
Oh,
I can't afford to wait.
I'll help him first and ask questions later.
what's this?
Necoprin 100 antibiotics. Administer to combat infection.
Ooh, that could be useful, because I'd say that, wound on his head will have a chance of infection.
Here, take this. It should do you some
Yay,
good.
I'm a nurse.
What is it?
It's an antibiotic.
An antibiotic. I'm no doctor, but I don't think there's any risk of infection with a broken rib.
Okay, I'll see if I can find anything else.
Oh, well, I kind of failed at that then. I was kind of thinking of the gash on your forehead, but I guess, yeah. Well, that was a fail. Alright, let's see what's at the right.
Paraphenol anti-fever.
I'm definitely not using
Administer
that.
only in cases of high fever.
Well, I doubt he has high fever, so... What's this thing on the bottom? On the top, not the bottom. I already checked the bottom.
I should disinfect his cuts.
Ah, finally, here's some disinfection. Here, you need this.
I'm gonna disinfect your wound. This might hurt a little.
You give up on the Scrabble? Ooh.
Sorry. Are you okay?
I'm not doing it hard!
I'll try to be more careful.
There, is that better for you? There, finally.
There.
Stupid
At
interrupting
least I
dad.
won't get infected.
No, I don't mean that.
I wouldn't move around for a few days
I
if I
felt
were
like
you.
I interrupted though.
I'm gonna take a shower.
Well, it's not the first time that happened.
Let me help you.
Let me help you get into a shower. Why do I have such a short jacket?
I'll wait here until you come out. Let me know if you need anything.
Don't watch me. Madison, you perv.
Talk to me. That way I'll know if you pass out.
What's your name?
Madison.
Are you staying in the hotel?
No, I live in town. I suffer from chronic insomnia. I seem to only be able to sleep in motels. Don't ask me why. Whenever I get too exhausted, I come and spend a night here.
I'm just passing through. And what else do you do, Madison? Apart from fixing up strangers.
Why did I get the option to look in the closet? There was nothing in there anyway.
I'm a photographer. I take pictures of furniture for fashionable design magazines. And you?
I'm an architect.
Well, shower ended. I guess I can just... Okay,
Thanks for
you alright?
I feel a lot better now.
You're welcome, Ethan. Wait, she doesn't even know his name yet.
Well, better get going then.
Already fancies him.
By the way, you never told me your name.
Ethan.
Be careful, Ethan.
Please. Ah, now I'm controlling
I don't have much time. I've got to find my son before it's too late.
put under the bed. Okay. Good memory. Okay. No time to think. Let's see what's in here. Alright, number 2. What's number 2? The butterfly. Your parrot just stopped. Ugh! Not really. going already? Take the antibiotics. Maybe that'll help. You know, it says you'll be suffering, so might as well take those with you. Okay, then.